Hey guys! These rotary buckets sift and separate materials for efficient sorting and grading. A rotary screening bucket is a specialized attachment for excavators. It features a cylindrical drum equipped with a mesh screen that rotates within the bucket. This rotation sifts materials based on size, separating larger particles from smaller ones, and allowing for efficient processing of soil, gravel, rocks, and other materials. Operators can control the speed of rotation, allowing for different screening efficiencies based on the type of material being processed. The screen material is discharged in separate piles or bins to be further processed or used as needed. There is a wide variety of models with different capacities and mesh sizes for various applications. Some models even have customizable features for specific uses. Rotary screening buckets have become indispensable tools in many industries and businesses involved in construction, agriculture, waste management, and more, due to their efficiency, versatility, and ability to streamline material handling processes.